Hi, Vadim here. In this quick and practical tutorial, you'll learn how to solve this common everyday problem step by step. Very often, you may need to share a presentation with people who won't be there live. I needed to turn my time management strategies that work PowerPoint into a video, something I could share with the clients or drop into the training portal. PowerPoint has a built-in export to video tool, and with the little help from CoPilot, the process was fast and polished. I used Microsoft CoPilot to generate the narration script and rehearse timings. If you don't rehearse timings, PowerPoint defaults to 5 seconds per slide. That's fine for static slides, but bad for animated ones. Because my PowerPoint deck had animations, I felt that I need to do pacing first before exporting the video. To open CoPilot, on the Home tab, you click CoPilot button. And here in CoPilot window, you can type the message. Write a short narration script for each slide in the deck. Here's the message I received back. I've added speaker notes to all slides. Review each slide and make edits manually, or undo it and try again. Let's take a look at the notes for the first slide. You see that information was generated by CoPilot. And here's my script for the first slide. SMART goals provide a structured framework for setting objectives that are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. And if I close CoPilot window to expand the size of the slide, I can see that it matches perfectly to the information I'm trying to present. Next, I need to rehearse the presentation with narration. To do this, I clicked Slide Show and then Rehearse Timings. Here I read the narration aloud, and PowerPoint automatically recorded the time I spent on each slide. At the end, it prompted me to save the timings, and I clicked Yes. Now the presentation had accurate pacing, ready to become a video with the voice-style delivery, even if you didn't record a real audio. It's always a good idea to review animations and visual flow before exporting. To do this, you need to go to Animation pane and check that all animations aligned with my narration timings. I navigated to Animations tab and clicked Animation pane. Each slide had different animations, and you can see all of them in Animation pane. You can play them as well. Keep in mind that clean, controlled pacing is what separates amateur slideshows from the professional video. Now we are ready to export presentation as a video file. To do this, let's navigate to File, Export, and then create a video. I chose Full HD, which is 1080p resolution for sharp output, and made sure that the settings said Use Recorded Timings and Narration, which I selected as Yes. On the File Export screen, I selected my Documents folder and clicked Export. PowerPoint rendered the entire presentation, animations, transition, and pacing into a standalone video. You can see the progress of export at the bottom. The result of the export was a clean, professional quality video that I could share by email, upload to YouTube, or embed into the course. If you found this content helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Online Training for Everyone. Have a great day.